What's up guys, Harry here, known as Trade Sharp. I'm going to bring you this quick video, look at some Ethereum, look at some Bitcoin, just give an update what's going on. I have a new mic here, so I hope this is nice and clear, crisp audio. You can hear my voice clearly, hear this weird accent, and yeah, let's get right into it. So, basically, looking at the charts here, we did close the 3-day yesterday, and guess what? It closed above the topside trolling band. So what does that tell us? Trending continuation, and of course, where are we going? Up. So this is all good. I'm not gonna go through all the Bollinger Bands because they're closing above. Unless it closes below, then I will tell you guys. But also, immediately I'm looking bullish here. So let's go into the lower time frames, have a look, and bring back our drawing. So ultimately, now we have created a range, which I love because it's easy to trade and easy to call because you can basically call it out. So our new range now is between, on a candle closure, 41,400 and to the downside for 39,583. Now that is our range. So a 4-hour closure above 41,400, I don't really think that would count as a continuation move, because the next target that I have implied that I took off my Fibonacci, I can quickly draw it for you guys to see. I believe I did take it off this point if I'm not mistaken. So that was taken from this point here to the candle wick there, which gave me this target here, which is the negative 618. Now the 618 always holds a lot of importance, guys, and I'm looking at this area to be very treacherous as a pullback area. Looking at that, we can see today I'm just going to go over the short term, and I'm not going to really tell you like what are the big targets that Bitcoin is going to reach. But if we do reach this target, close above, we are getting up there. We're going to 52, 55, 60,000. These are all the targets. Now, it does scare me getting up to those targets, because if we're getting up that fast, there could be a huge downside candle at any point soon. So it is treacherous area, but as soon as till I see a warning sign, I'm just gonna say up. So we can definitely head up to that $60,000 range, and I'm not saying this is gonna happen soon, but I'm saying if we just keep on the same momentum we're going, on the same guideline with volume increasing and everything like that, then yeah, I definitely see us continuing up. So for the range, it's pretty simple range. If we do break the 39,500 to the downside, then I do see us coming down, and in the short term testing the $38,000 range, which would be a nice $2,500 move to the downside. If we do break this the $38,000 range, I do seeing us come down to the $36,000 range. Now, if we do break this $36,000 range, this is a big problem. I see us coming actually all the way down to, bounces implied at 34,000, but all the way down to $30,000 range. Now, I want to make this very clear. I don't think that is very likely. We look very, very, very bullish. So I don't think we will actually come down. But I'm just saying, if we start breaking these ranges, this is where Bitcoin's going after we break these ranges. Looking at the short term, we are having a red candle here. Looking at the Stokes at the moment, just to see, momentum is sort of turning up on the 1 hour. It's not very clear. On the 4 hour, it's turned up. On the 1 hour, it's kind of, it's not really, it's just showing me some ranging. So we'll probably come down, bounce off this 39,000. I don't even have a problem coming down on a 1 hour to 39,000 flat. I don't have an issue with that. But we're just kind of, just going up and down. To be honest, it's a pure range. Nothing's really telling me that it wants to explode at the moment, but this candle can quickly flip around, especially on a day like today, because we have seen that during the weekends it does like to flip around, and boom, and that will happen very fast. We'll see 1 hour Stokes turn up, we'll start breaking the range, we'll get the 4 hour close above 42,000, and then boom, it's off to the races. But let's look at some Stokes on some different time frame, like properly, so we can see that this has been in a downtrend 1 hour. 1 hour doesn't have any trend line coming in. I want to see if I can spot 4 hour. 4 hour does actually have some sort of trend line coming in. You can see it kind of like this. It's more of it doesn't have to hit perfectly on Stokes, but it could. You see it's starting to curl down. So what could happen is it could curl down here and come and bounce off that, and it would just take 41,000 to do that too. And then when it bounces off this trend line here, that would be a great, if we do get a confirmed tick up on this trend line, that would be a great opportunity. I think that would show a lot of strength, and I think that would what would be the opportunity to cause the move to explode. Let's look at what else we have. 3 hour. Oh, check this out, guys. This is amazing. Oh, I didn't notice this. When are we getting these? What is from December? So this on the 3 hour Stoch, guys, from December we have been catching these lows. And if we go into the chart and if we go and check which lows we've been catching, we have been catching, this is really cool. We caught the base just before the explosion was caught. These are great buying opportunities. We got this base here just before we had like the move from 21,000 to 28,000. It caught the base just before another explosion. It caught the base just before we had the explosion from 30 to 40,000. And now it looks like it's catching one more base. Now this is very interesting. So, and we're actually coming to curl down. So we did look like we were ticking up here. We did look like we were ticking up to continue, maybe get rejected down here. But also this is coming in at the 65%, which is at the edge of the bullish zone. Anything below about 60 to 50, in that 50 below here, this becomes bearish. But what looks like we're happening is that we're coming here, we're ticking down. So if this confirms, all right, and we continue down here, if we do get this tick, a closure below 40,900, we will look like we come down to this trend line here. And if we get a bounce here, this looks like a huge opportunity, because as I've shown you, that these areas have held a lot of importance for bounces in the past. So this could be a catalyst to a huge move, and a huge move would be to that $46,000 mark, and it would make sense. So I like to see that lining up very clearly. So keep your eyes on that. That's a huge thing that we've spotted. And yeah, that's pretty cool. I've never spotted that. But I don't normally use the 3 hour, but that looks like it's coming nicely. Let's go in the 1 hour. I'm sure someone has spotted that before me. It's pretty much a given. Whoever trades on Stokes, I should probably be looking at the other time frames. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum looks up. I mean, look at this perfect. This is another perfect play. Look at this, guys. It's exactly a copy paste of this play. We have some sort of ascending triangle, or just, this is not, I won't count this as an ascending triangle, to be honest, but we have, breakout, retest. Next target, 1422, all-time high. I mean, this is bullish for me. Of course, if we do break this range here, let's use a 4 hour. 4 hour is not, I don't mind. I really don't mind us coming down on Ethereum, but Ethereum's looking bullish. I don't mind us coming down here to the 1,281 and getting another bounce back up, but this is looking bullish. It will continue up unless Bitcoin does something crazy and dumps. But with all that being said, I'll leave you with that. Remember, guys, take care and trade sharp. Peace.